2021. This year is a very special year for us. It's our 50 years anniversary. And to start our online guided tours, we would like to present to you our first company, Ningbo BaoSi Energy Group. Let's get started. And now with me, Mr. Nick Jiang, who is Deputy Minister of Air and Compressor Export Department from BaoSi Energy Group. Good morning, Mr. Jiang.
Good morning. I am Nick, the Deputy Minister of Air and Component Export Department from Ningbo BaoSi Energy Equipment Corporation Limited. It is my pleasure to be the representative of my company to introduce some information about our company and the products for this exhibition.
So, what is the main theme for your company on ComVac Asia 2021?
Our theme for the exhibition this time is Blue Sky Coming, and it is also the theme for our company.
Okay. So, are there any new products that you presented on our expo?
Oh yeah, we bring some new products this time for the expo, like horizontal two-stage air and the compressor, and screw vacuum pump, oil-free screw air and oil-free vacuum pump as well.
So thank you, Mr. Zhang, for your introduction, and I hope you will have a great exhibition, great results, and we are waiting you next year as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Zhang, what do you think your company's new product can facilitate industry development, and how do the products empower the intelligent production line?
The feature for our new products is energy conservation and environment protection. We hope we can help save energy and improve the quality of the environment for machinery industry. Air compressor was treated as a power supply before. The company in different industries have no connection with each other. The Industry 4.0 helps promote the development of the connections of different things. With the support of new technologies such as AI and Edge AI, we optimize the supply chain, which brings us great economic benefits.
And the next question, how does your company manage to keep pushing the envelope in terms of the products and technologies and being ahead of others in terms of the same products of the market and obtain a good market to share?
Continuous innovation is the gene of BaoSi. We built BaoSi Technology Innovation Team, the Provincial Research Institute, and the National Enterprise Engineering and Technology Center. Right now, we are authorized 109 patents, including 21 patents of invention, and our research and development funds take part of 3% of sales revenue each year.